This is literally me before my alarm goes off. I've watched this clip so many times, I still can't make sense of what's going on here.
6 when he pulled through the clouds and then I moved in above him.
Well, if you were directly above him, how could you see him?
Because I was inverted.
Big drive, push that shit! Push! Push! Yeah! Out! Hell yeah!
Sign this man up for some therapy lessons. This dude is a master of his craft. I'm not really sure what he's trying to do, but he's got some crazy balance. Are we looking at the Trojan pigeon out here? Bruh, come get y'all's mechanics, bruh. I think bro went on a Jet 2 holiday.
Johnny! What the fuck?
Holy shit, am I okay?
No.
Bro's doing all this just playing Russian roulette with his life. Yo, what gym is that? They got that twerk master.
Holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
I don't know, I think bro's watched too many Kung Fu Panda movies. This right here might just be the cure to male loneliness. No! Look at all that fairy dust going everywhere. No way bro's getting paid enough for doing this. Bro used this special move, planche teleportation.
That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did.
Bro, what in the Looney Tunes episode is this? I bet the ref is never gonna give him a yellow card.
Full gangster!
Bro's watched the entire Fast and Furious series.
Rich Brian, I've been watching you since you were microwaving bread.
How will the fire even start at this point? Bro got the bungee jumping and the zipline experience all together.
Right now, you can save £50 per person.
These dudes have a degree in creativity maxing. This kid tells his parents when to go to sleep. Bro's looking at the skies for divine help at this point.
Can I see you as my crush?
This man's a professional upstairs neighbor. I would trust this kid with my entire career. Dude's got an insane build. This dude just aura farmed everyone around him. No way, those dumbbells moved way too smooth. She's got that peak superhero physique. Yep, this shit is definitely Asha approved.
Real men of genius.
Real man of G.
This dude's just creating his own momentum as he goes.
Look at my eyes, tell me your tale. Do you see the road? I'm out to my soul. Tell me the size whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect.
The back muscles on her go so crazy.
Malevolent back shots.
Bro really wanted that air to hit him right in the face. I'm a man and this is physique goals.
All the military is also doing is come on.
The more I watched this video, the crazier it got. And hey, if you made it to the end of this video, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.